Hey, this is Derek, and in this video we're going to cover how to set up Prosper202 to track your own products as a product owner. There are more advanced ways to use Prosper202 for tracking your products, which I'm going to cover in a video series, Prosper202 videos for product owners only. It'll be available shortly, and all existing customers will get the video updates for free. In the meantime, this will keep you moving forward. Okay, let's get started. I wanted to go over the PPC network real quick. It's very important that you go ahead and add in an account username. I know it seems like kind of a useless step, but what I found working with several customers is when you don't add in the account username, when you go to analyze your data, you don't get the cool little Yahoo or MSN or AdWords icon, and it makes it more difficult to figure out where your visitors are coming from. Let's go ahead and set this up real quick. I don't have an MSN account yet, but I'm getting ready to set one up. I like this new Bing network, and I want to go ahead and play with it. So set up an MSN, and you just go in. You can use your first name or whatever you want for your account nickname. I always just use my first name. I know what the account is, so when I'm going and analyzing the data, that's all that really matters, and you need to be able to do the same thing. Pretty simple setup. We're going to go ahead and go to step 2, affiliate networks. Even though it says affiliate network, you can put in anything you want. You can put in something simple like my products. You can put in a blog name or website name or URL. You can put in the product name itself. I'm going to go ahead and put my blog name in because I plan on having a products page with multiple product offers on it on my blog. Alright, and you can see it was added in right here. We're going to go to step 3, affiliate campaigns. Let's go ahead and walk through the affiliate campaign setup. We're going to go ahead and choose our network. In this case, it's my blog. I'm going to give it a campaign name. I'm going to go ahead and say P202 so that I know what it is. Now, your affiliate URL is going to be your landing page. Okay? And it can be your sales page, it could be a pre-sale page, whatever it is, it's your landing page. Alright? And the one thing you're going to need to do is add this question mark on the end. Now, the way I have it set up, I'm using a directory, and it has a slash and then the question mark. You would do the same thing if you're using just the domain name. You would leave just a slash and a question mark. If you're doing an HTML page or PHP page or something along those lines, what you would do is not do the slash. For instance, let's say we're doing Prosper202 videos.html. You would have a question mark only past an actual page, not a directory or the domain itself. And the reason is if you put a slash there, it will not load the page. You'll get a 404 error. Okay? So it's a pretty simple setup. Those are the 3 ways you do it. Alright, and make sure you got the question mark. And then you're going to put what the price of your product is so that Prosper can keep track of it. And we're going to go ahead and add in the affiliate campaign. Alright, and you can see that it has the name of my blog. It's P202, the price it is, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the landing pages. So when the landing page is set up, it's pretty simple. We're going to go through and pick our affiliate network. In my case, it's my blog name. The campaign that I just set up, we're going to give it a nickname. I'm going to say 202 only. And then you give a landing page URL. In this case, it's going to be the exact same landing page that you just put in for your affiliate URL. We're not going to use this portion of it, but just go ahead and put it in there anyway. And you click on Add. Now, text ads are optional. You can go ahead and do text ads. I'm not going to go through it here. You can do it if you want, but it's going to require a link for every text ad for every PPC network. You're going to have a lot of links to manage. Most people just skip that part. I'm going to go ahead and cover the landing page code. We're going to do a simple landing page. Alright, and all we do is go through, and in this case it's my blog. I'm doing P202, and my landing page is 202 only, and we're going to generate a tracking link. The only thing we're going to need on this page is this JavaScript, inbound JavaScript landing page code. Okay? And all we're going to do is simply copy this code, and we're going to paste it into our landing page or our sales page. I went ahead and pulled up my sales page right here. This is one I have made that I haven't been using yet. You can see it's a pretty long sales page. And what you do is you open up your sales page in either your HTML editor. In this case, I went ahead and opened it up into Notepad. Okay? And the slash body tag right here, you want to go ahead and paste that code in above the slash body tag. Okay? That JavaScript script. And you can see it right there. You can see it right here. and it's above the slash body tag. And then you can just do a file, save, and you're good to go. Alright, let's go ahead and set up your tracking pixel. That's going to be number 8. For most of you, it's going to be the image unsecured link, okay, HTTP link. Unless you're using an SSL certificate on your thank you page, this will be the one you do, and you simply copy it, and then we go to our thank you page. Here's my thank you page and what it looks like, right? And you open that up into your favorite HTML editor, or in this case I open it up in Notepad, okay, and you paste that above the slash body tag again. You can see there's the ending body tag, the slash body tag. Now the reason I do it above the slash body tag, like I did the other page, is to stay consistent. So it's a no-brainer. It becomes a habit. You always do the same thing all the time. You can pretty much paste it wherever you want on the page, but I like to stay consistent to keep it easier for me. Okay, that completes your setup. The only thing you're going to want to do now is go ahead and set up your link. And we're going to go ahead and create a link reel here. I'm going to grab my blog. P202 is my campaign. We're going to do a landing page, 202 only. I don't have any ad copy. Okay. PPC network, I'll just pick MSN, doesn't really matter. And my account name, and I'm just going to put in 30 cents per click. And then you generate a tracking link. Don't worry about the warnings, it just says you don't have an ad, it's no big deal. Your tracking link is this link right here, okay? For MSN, you're going to want to add the little keyword, the DKI keyword piece, and for Google AdWords as well. You add this little piece of code right here, okay? It's not a real big deal. And this is the link you're going to use for your destination URL in your MSN account. In my case, this is the MSN account. Whether it's AdWords or Yahoo, whatever you set it up for. Okay? And then what you're going to want to do is pull up Google or pull up your web browser and paste it in here and verify that the link worked real quick. I'm going to take that keyword piece off just for the test, but when you use your destination URL, you're going to want to have it in there. You go ahead and you click on it, and it should roll over to your sales page. And it does. And that's how you test to make sure everything's working properly. Okay, you can also go into Prosper202 and verify that it's working by looking at SPY and going and looking at some of your data. All right, so that's the setup. That's how you go through and configure Prosper202 to track your own products. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.